Write the rational expression in lowest terms. 6a squared plus a minus 2 over 2a squared minus 3a plus 1. Well, in order to write this rational expression in lowest terms, we need to first factor it. So let's start by factoring the numerator using trial and error. If it factors, it will factor into two binomials. Let's use as our leading terms 3a and 2a. That gives a product of 6a squared. Now factors of negative 2 that are going to work in here are a plus 2 minus 1. Let's check our inner and outer products. 4a minus 3a does indeed give the 1a in the middle. Now to the denominator, where we factor also. Our first terms must be 2a and a. Now we want to get our factors of positive 1 in the correct place. No, they're going to both have to be negative in order to get a positive product, yet a negative sum, and our only option is 1 times itself in there. Now we can cancel our common factors. 2a minus 1 in both the numerator and denominator. That gives us a result of 3a plus 2 over a minus 1 in reduced form.